honey on my lips when I tell them your name. What's sweeter than this? The taste of the sun's soft warm kiss. And now I hear you in my heart, like a solid tempo drum, beating 1, 2, 3, and 4. Always on my mind, forevermore, forevermore. Scars as deep can go are heavy on my soul, and you see all I am, but still aren't letting go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go.
Good job.
Was born to run. Don't let me go. Set fire to my trails. I'm all burned up when daylight comes, but you know where to find me. You're the only one I believe in. Scars as deep can go are heavy on my soul, and you see all I am, but still you aren't letting go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Was born to run, but don't let me go. Go.
Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. Today we built a trellis for tomatoes to grow across. Now I've had really good luck with my tomatoes this year. They're getting really big and really tall, and I've been trimming them for quite some time, and I got to thinking, why am I trimming these when I can take advantage of this? I've still got a good 2.5, 3 months of growing season if I play my cards right. So I'm going to grow these up and try to get them to grow across the trellis, and then if everything works out, I'll probably add more trellises back here at the back section and have a full ceiling of tomatoes here. Well, if you like this kind of video, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down button, but at least tell me why so I can try to get better. If you're not a subscriber already, I'd love to have you. Click that subscribe button, and if you'd like to get notified anytime I make a video, click the bell button as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.